Margaritaville.
Margaritaville.
Girl, this thing from I'm big. Hold on. My ashy hands.
I don't like paper straws.
No, neither.
I feel like if you put paper in water and it's gonna do that, so
That looks so good. I hope it's good.
I hope it's good.
I don't even eat cherries. You eat cherries? I guess they call themselves saving the environment.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I got screwed up.
Here's my drink. I got a strawberry margarita, I think.
And this is the Bahama.
Cheers. I ain't gonna lie, it's good.
It's good. It is good, but it's a lot of coconut in it. A lot of coconut. Can I taste it? Yeah, I do.
You wanna put the straw?
I'm dead.
I'm gonna put the straw
care.
too. Oh, you want just?
I don't give a fuck. Whatever it is, what it is. That is good.
Yeah, this is a lot of coconut.
It is like coconut.
But it is good. I'm trying to. We gonna drink a little. I look, you wanna have a first with you again. Can you find the first? You guys like them?
Yes, ma'am. You want to chug it? Yours? I wouldn't chug yours that much. I would let you drink some first, like get like right there, because you're gonna have a brain freeze.
Digits on the beat.
Good morning, Cinn babes. I'm finally here on camera, y'all. We finally in Miami and up. It is Saturday. A lot happened Friday. A lot happened. We didn't get here till like 10 o'clock. If you didn't know, it's a curfew in Miami at 8. We got here at 10. So we couldn't really do nothing besides walk around, so I didn't really like come in for that. But today is now Saturday. We're about to just walk around, find something to eat. So we about to walk out. Let me give y'all a little outfit of the day. So this is what I'm wearing, just a plain white shirt that got daddy on it. These little shorts with little fringes. Sandals with anklet, shop Cinn City, you already know. And then I just got like a little red ponytail with it back. But yeah, I'm Cinn today, y'all. Who's Talisa? It's Cinn. Y'all see the eyes. You want to talk to my friend? You want to show me your outfit to friend?
Hi.
Give them a little outfit. Tell them about your outfit.
So everything is from Cinn. Shades, top, short, except for these shoes. Anklet is coming from Cinn City Beauty, of course. Hair is Cinn City Beauty, of course. And we about to be drunk as fuck.
I already know we in Miami. When in Miami. So I'll come back, you guys, when we get there and let y'all know what's going on. Period. So when I put this on my head. Wait, what drink is this?
Strawberry daiquiri.
So like, what's the daiquiri?
The one that you saw on the thing was pina colada. And I said you didn't want that, so I said it was strawberry.
Well, this is strawberry daiquiri. Alright, y'all, so our food just came. We got the same thing. What is this again? A turkey.
Tomato and lettuce wrap. We're about to get our rinse to the side and it comes to fries.
And get some ketchup. Yeah. We come all the way here for jet skis to be closed, y'all. It says too windy. I wasted up a lift. Like, they didn't even have it online. So now we got to figure out what we about to do next. So, yeah. y'all, so we just in the room. We got some, this pizza days, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got some pizza days. We got some chicken bites, pepperoni pizza. I done ate most of my mozzarella sticks. So if we, I don't know if we do anything else, but if we do, I'll let you know. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Sunday. What do we have anything actually planned for Sunday?
Not yet.
Well, I'll let you guys know what the plans are tomorrow. So see you later. All right, hi guys, happy Easter. It is what, April 4th? Yes, it's April 4th. So today on the agenda, we're about to go to Bacon Beach and hopefully eat, because we couldn't do it yesterday. But I was going to wear this outfit, which I'm gonna put a video of me in it. But when I put it on, I didn't like it. I didn't like how it was on my boobs, so I said no. So instead, I put on this maxi dress that is from my website. It is called the All You Need Maxi Dress. It comes in a maxi dress, which is like this, and it also comes in a shorter dress in white. And I will have this in white as well soon. But that's what we're about to do. Hopefully, we get some good food. And then next, go to the beach to get some pictures. And then after that, just roam around. Hopefully today be a drunk day. You know, my girl Bree. Let me see Bree. She wants to get drunk. So, look at my friend. She's so pretty. Period. So, that's what's on the agenda today. Yeah, look at this dress. Look how it fits. I'm wearing a medium, by the way. So, this is me medium. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys at Bacon Beach. Alright y'all, we're here. We at Bacon Beach. So, let me show you guys the room. Okay. But it says like straight liquor. Alright guys, so we back at it. We are up. We took an unexpected nap. That food, the liquor, everything else just hit a little too hard for us, y'all. But we back in the fit. Going to the beach so that I can get me some, you know, some beach pictures. You know, whatever. Where the money reside, as my friend Bree says. Awesome. So, I honestly don't know what we're doing after the beach. Like, for real, we're thinking about trying to find like a museum or whatever. Come back and get dressed, go to a museum, but we'll see how that goes. But I'll see you guys at the beach. Where you gonna see them at, Bree? At the beach. Okay, y'all, so it's the last day. We getting ready so that we can check out. Check out for us right now is at 12. And then we're gonna try to take our stuff to like this luggage place, because again, we don't leave until like 8 tonight. So yeah, last night we went to KOD Miami. Yeah, girl threw a bag, but paid for it, you know. Anyway, so yeah, today we're just gonna see what there is to get into. If there's anything, yeah, I'm so tired. Like I'm ready to lay down for real. But yeah, so today will be the last day you guys see me in Miami. Hopefully we make it. I don't even know, y'all. I'm so tired. But I'll come back if we end up doing anything. Oh yeah, and thank y'all to the ones who've been ordering while I've been, you know, on vacation and stuff. I appreciate it. I see y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm wearing the Olivia jumpsuit from my website. Fits like a glove. I'm wearing a medium. Very true size. Of course, I got my anklets, which is the sweetest honey initial anklet. I also have matching necklaces. I'm thinking I might restock my letters. I just don't know yet. I mean, restock most of my jewelry since you know it's spring. But yeah. So again, I'll come back whenever we start moving and stuff. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait. Okay, I'm ready. This shit, hold on. This shit a little harder than I thought.
This side is the break.
Okay. Oh, this shit. I gotta stop this.
The right side is the break. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, there we go. Woo.
Like this.
Riding the bike is not what it used to be. I said riding the bike is not what it used to be. Girl. Oh, gee.
Wait, this is a narrow area.
I ain't lying. Yeah, I'm here. I think we finally got control. I don't know. Thank you. I don't know. So we got it for hours. Well, you want to like ride it to somewhere to eat?
That's what I was thinking, like you want to get drinks or something.
Yeah. Okay. What's this called? So we at Clevelander Famous Frozen. Is that what this shit called?
Yeah, I think
that's what it's called. This is the thing. And they got a Miami Vice with this shit dripping everywhere, with a shot of vodka. Hot taste.
It's really good.
It is.
I like their pina colada. Like it's not too much.
Oh, probably this. Oh shit! Yeah, look how big this shot is.
I'm gonna pour mine in.
But we better drink this and then we're gonna order some food. Oh, it's already starting to give me a brain freeze. I don't know why I always get frozen drinks. My drink, I can't forget my drink is filled to the brim.
Here you go, ladies. I know this drink could be a little bit of a messy,
It's cool that they be knowing what the hell you doing. Like, and it's cool. And he was like, hey, everybody, but I didn't have to record it.
Good demand.
Yeah. All right, so let's see. So we got pepperoni flatbreads. And then, thank you. And then these big old mozzarella sticks. So what's that?
Huh? Because I didn't want to like pick it up. I didn't want to eat it before. Just because you should see it's oily.
Yeah.
I am bougie, but like it gets a little oily, and I don't want to be doing all that.
I'm gonna see this.
It's good. Oh, it's not that bad.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even drink all my drink. And I'm feeling it a little bit. So I know you feeling it a little bit.
I feel good. Real good. You won't drink that though.
Ooh, it's hot.
It's good. Real good. Better than the other ones you had.
I think because these are hot. The other ones are hot, they'll be like very equal. But they say sun. It's just that we had food to eat.
I'm so disappointed in me right now.
Wow, that's how you do it.
Huh?
Wow, that's how I do.
Not even that. She always say, when you got something, you don't know how much liquor in it. You never like just be drinking it, and I'm sucking it up. So you supposed to let it take its time. Like, girl, bye. I just love the taste. I'm gonna come out a little bit more. Me and the cold.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to put shit up on this bike.
Sleep up.
I'm about to put shit up on this bike.
Oh,
We gotta walk all the way back to the bike.
it wasn't that far.
All right, y'all. So where you going? Oh, we gotta go this way. I'm dead. Oh shit. Wait, Bree. All right, y'all. So we better ride this bike, but we need GPS to get to where we're going. So I'll see y'all once we get our luggage shit back. Yeah. Wait. Where is it? Look, y'all. It's crazy.